Hey guys, so I'm back again for some more Groovepad tutorials again and again. Basically, we have done this over and over again for a lot of times, so we're gonna do it for sure. So today's song is Garage Nightcrawler. And you've been waiting on this for a long time. I know I haven't played this for a long time, since a year ago. It just came out on the Groovepad genre called electronic. Or like dimensionally a garage typical soundtrack. Alright, so let's do lesson 1. Alright, so I had to put my phone down a little bit so that way it's easier for me to tap on these pads without scrolling it up. So here we go. So that was the basics, which is the beat. Hold on, this music is way too loud. Could you hear what I was saying? Hold on, I need to get like a pillow so I can even put this phone up a little bit. Hold on, guys. Okay, so I just got a pillow. So I can make sure I do this completely right. Is that good? Okay, yeah, it is. Stupid ad music is so freaking loud. So I randomly just did the basics, which is the beat, the bass, the lead, and the synth. Alright, so let's go to lesson 2. Here we go. That fill sound randomly sound like a EDM static garage typical dimensional music, or like an iconic sound drum beat, or like it's extraordinary conceptance, I don't know, like in real life.
I think I see legal.
Seriously? With streamlined legal workflows now, it's literally interrupting for. That doesn't make any sense. Alright, let's start with lesson 3. This was a little terrifying. It's literally glitching that way.
I think I see legal as...
Stop it right there. Stop interrupting me somehow. AI contract, whatever you're interrupting me with this for. That's got to stop. So, Catherine, I want you to remember how well I try to analyze these beats a little properly. It is within my society. My little briefing on these bundles. What do you have to say for yourself? I don't know. Maybe you gotta do this more mentally and try to have some physical time to try to get your exclusive access to your strategy together. Yeah, I agree with that. Thanks. So lesson 4, here we go. Nice. We clearly rebundle this a little more. We finally nailed it. So, apparently, I was back again for Groovepad tutorials, even though I took a break on the other music ones that I couldn't do. It was hard, but I think the audio was completely muted, though. That's kind of strange. I was a little doubt out. So, let's do the 5th lesson, and hopefully we don't screw this up. Here we go. So I normally think that the loops, they go particularly slow and fast at one time and another to another. Okay, I don't know. But luckily I aced this final process. So lesson 6. Nice. I understand that you're winking at me. Okay, we just... I don't want to look at this type of stuff. No, stop. And why did we seriously stop for this lesson? I don't get it. Like, we literally just even finished this one. We really are finished this one. This is so unbelievable. Alright guys, so we are moving on to the next lesson, which is lesson 7. So here we go. This is so shameless and unusual. Pretty darn suspicious, I believe. So lesson 8. Oh my gosh, I knew it! I knew it! It was literally glitching that way. Screw up. That's because these stupid ads were still bugging me out. Well, although I just recognized my final look on this. But now I just have to start over again. So, lesson 9. Here we go. Huh? What on earth is happening? Hold on there. Even though the lesson just stopped? And Wise Glance get the latest news and sports updates started to show off again. I cannot believe it. This has got to be frustrating, you guys. It totally has to be frustrating right now. So let's start over. I'm sick and tired of these ads today. I don't know what's happening for this type of lesson, especially the notifications. I don't know how it's happening. Catherine, please tell me that the notification was glitching on that lesson type. I'm sorry. I don't know for sure why it happened a lot. But usually when your phone is trying to even let you get a notification on there, I don't know exactly why it does stuff like that. Okay. I believe it was a mistake. Okay, so last lesson 10. I understand these music ads are starting to interrupt me. Okay, we're finally finished. All lessons complete. 10 through 10. A lot of interruptions are happening this time. The false claim. This is literally driving me crazy. Starting to drive me crazy, ads. So the next song is Future Bass. I don't know who that man is. Oh, it's Phenom. Seriously? Stop interrupting me. I don't what the heck this is? This is like AI ad music. Just interrupt it. No, absolutely not. Okay, here are the lessons. And we're gonna get this through. Oh my gosh. It's gonna come tomorrow. So please stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And what Groovepad song do I should do next on this one? So bye.